Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we will work with conditional statement elif. How to use elif in conditional statement. Elif statements allows you to check multiple conditions and executes the statement as condition evaluates to true, or you can say if there are more than two conditions, then we can use this elif statement. The syntax to work with elif is use if, then expression, or you can say condition, statement, then elif, expression, statement. If there are some other conditions, then you can again use elif, expression and statement, and at last use else statement. So to work with elif, you have to follow this syntax. If your condition is true, it will print this statement. Otherwise, if first condition is false, it will check another condition elif, or you can say else if. It will check another condition. If this condition is true, it will print this statement. If all the conditions are false, it will goes to else part and print else block. So how to work with elif? We have to follow this syntax. Let's work with one example. Let's take day number and print the day of week. Input, enter day number, if day equals to 1, print Sunday. Elif, the second condition is, if first condition is false, it will check second condition. If day equals to 2, then print Monday. If first and second condition is false, then again check third condition elif, day equals to 3, print Tuesday. There are 7 days in a week, so use all these 7 conditions. If day is 4, print Wednesday. If day equals to 5, print Thursday. Elif, day equals to 6, print Friday, and the last day is week number 7, print Saturday. And accept all these conditions if user enters any number, or we can say if all these conditions are false, then print not a valid day. So here you can see there are more than two conditions. So for multiple condition we can use elif. Just run your file, enter your day number 5, so it will display Thursday. Enter 7, it will display Saturday. As you enter 9, it will display not a valid day, because this 9 is not equal to 1, again 9 is not equal to 2, 3 and 4. So all these conditions are false. So it will goes to else block and print not a valid day. And when you run or enter 6, okay, so I used enter. Again run your file and press or enter 5, so it will gives you Thursday. So as you enter 5, it will check your condition. 5 is not equals to 1, it means this condition is false. 5 is not equal to 2, this condition is also false. 5 is not equals to 3, 5 is not equals to 4. Here 5 equals to 5, here both values are true, so this condition is true, so it will print Thursday. So that's it. In the same manner you can work with elif statement. In the next video we will work with nested if and nested if else. Thanks for watching this video.